Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to remove public tags on Facebook. Whether you've been tagged in posts or photos that you'd rather not be associated with, this guide will show you how to clean up your profile quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, head to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, under the Your Activity section, look for Activity Log and tap on it. This is where all your interactions and tags are recorded. Inside the Activity Log, find and select Public Tags from the available options. This will display a list of all posts and photos where you've been tagged publicly. To remove these tags, check the box next to each tag you want to delete. If you want to remove all public tags in one go, simply select them all. Finally, tap on Remove Tags. Confirm your action if prompted, and just like that, those tags will no longer be associated with your profile. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove unwanted public tags on Facebook. This keeps your profile clean and ensures that only the content you approve of is visible to others. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it.